Huntington Metro in Alexandria. We're gonna go up it. As you can see, it falls on a track. It follows a track going up. We're gonna go up to the mezzanine. It is a no-brainer at the moment, so if you put it in the comments, please tell me what brand it is. I'm gonna watch it from this side. The way it's going up feels slanted, but it also feels like the thing from Range Game on The Price is Right. This is my first time riding this specific elevator. You can see the cart is kind of coming down, so it's gonna probably hook onto here and then pull us up that way. Maybe not. We're only going up this elevator because I'm going to my car. So if I don't go down it, my apologies.
Train level. Thank you for using the Metro Rail. Mezzanine level. Thank you for using the Metro Rail.
We'll wait for the door to open. Okay. So that being said, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will see you next time. We'll watch the door close. Bye. Say bye, Kyle.